Welcome back. We got a Chevy HHR here today that we have to put new headlights in. These are all foggy already, and the owner wants new lights, so he already picked them up and we got to install them. Let's get started. And as you could see, there is not a lot of access when you open the hood up because everything is sitting underneath the fender, so the bumper cover has to come off. Here are the part numbers. What you need to do to get this off, you got a 7mm bolt here. You got to come into the wheel well, and you have bolt there. There is, I believe, one or two that are down over here. Yeah, there's supposed to be a bolt there. It's missing. You got to pull all these clips out. And going up into the wheel well too. Clip there, clip over here. Well, not that one. Bolt over there. And more clips in the wheel well. Let's get all this loose. I'll show you what we're going to do next. With all of those clips and screws removed, this inner splash shield is now loose. So, if you just need to change a bulb, you could reach up into this little hole here, and the back of the headlight bulb is there. The other one is up over here, the side marker light over there. And you don't have to pull the whole bumper cover off. We have to change the lights, so the rest of the cover is going to come off. Now everything here should be loose. We'll have to unplug the marker light harness later on once we get this loose. This is just held in with clips that slide into a little plastic channel along here and along over there. And you got to pull on them pretty hard. A lot of times the little clips on them or part of the bumper cover is going to rip and break just for the fact of the age of it. That's the only thing you could do with these. So let's get them pried loose, and we got to get the other side all unhooked too. Okay, it should come off. What's my drop light? I'm going to unhook the marker light bulbs. And we can drop this out of the way. There are two 10mm bolts that hold these in. One conveniently behind the horn, the other one over there. With a long extension, you could reach that one. So we'll get these undone and pop the light out. This will just drop down, and our horn's in the way. Reach in the back, unplug the lights. It's got to push on the little tabs. There we go. Little push tab, pop it off, and we can throw our new one in. Ooh, I love the sound of fresh new lights. Ooh. We need to reuse this little plastic shield. Unclips, put it on the new one. And get our bolts back in. And before we go any further, make sure they work. Repeat on the other side. Okay, the lights are in. Now you get to put the bumper cover back on. You got to finagle around with the ends over here to get them to come around the lamp. And then you just hit them, snap them back into the clips. That's good. Don't forget to hook up your side marker light and then put all your screws and clips back. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. You are not going to make it up there. No, 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 no.